Dropit Shopify Vintage Theme Installation Instructions. Create a new page template. First, open the Dropit Auctions Shopify app within your Shopify dashboard. Click Setup Instructions. Click Vintage Theme Setup Instructions. Scroll down to step number 9 and copy the code snippet. You can either highlight, right-click and choose Copy, or you can hit the copy symbol in the top left of the code snippet and it will say that it is copied. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store, and under that click Themes. On your vintage theme, click the 3 dots, then click Edit Code. Click Add a new template in the left sidebar. In the top drop-down box, choose Page. Make sure JSON is checked. Give the page template a name in the final box, example Dropit Vintage Theme Test. Click Done. We should be given a blank template, but if there is some code here you should be fine to remove it, or paste over it. If it's blank, great, right-click, and paste the code snippet we had earlier copied. Click Save. Go back to your Shopify dashboard. Create a page to display the Dropit Auctions. On the left under Online Store, click Pages. On the right, click Add Page. Give your page a title, for example Dropit Auctions, then on the right under Theme Template, click the drop-down, select the name of the theme template you just created. Please note this theme template needs to be in the live theme for it to be an option to be selected. If you click Edit SEO, this drop-down shows you the page information including the URL. In the top right, click Save. Click View Page and you should be directed to your auctions page on your website where your auctions will show. The next step is to set up an auction. Visit our website or YouTube channel on how to set up a Dropit.